Step 1. Prepare a USA version WWVB radio-controlled clock movement. Put the iron hook on the movement core. Attach the EVA double-sided adhesive tape and attach it to the bell shell. Note that the iron hook needs to be aligned in parallel to the 12-point position. Put on the washers and secure the nuts. After tightening by hand, turn half a circle with pliers. Step 2. The time and second hand at 12 o'clock parallel installation. Step 3. Remove the locator pin. Note that you must first complete the above steps before you can pull the positioning needle. Step 4. Install an AA battery. The second hand will go round quickly. Back at 12 o'clock, the all-minute needle also makes a quick trip. Back to 12 o'clock. Wait about 10 minutes. Pick up the radio signal. Automatically corrects to current time after successful reset. The installation is complete.